Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing this Roundup Weed and Grass Killer. So I recently just got this just because there have been some weeds that started to sprout up within my driveway. And so what you have here is about 1 gallon of Weed and Grass Killer solution. There you have the nozzle which is included. But what's really neat is I recently started testing it out. And as you can see here, we have some yellowing of the weeds that are starting to grow within my driveway. Now in particular, those green weeds I didn't spray just yet. But it looks like they're actually going to go ahead and kind of fall apart slowly. And this is about 24 hours in. But I've sprayed it across my house, within my side driveway and at the corners. And it seems to be working, so I'm pretty happy with it. But I'll update you guys within another 24 hours to a week to show you if whether or not this actually works. But overall, I've had no problems with it. I think a gallon is a really good amount to go ahead and actually apply this stuff. In addition to that, it has a safety lock to make it close so that kids don't actually spray it by accident. But overall, I've had no problems with it whatsoever. I'm excited to see how it actually plays out.